Meron tayong, ano tawag dito? May iba tayong characteristic or way ng pag-compose natin ng sarili natin sa workplace than in a church, di ba? So, i-ano natin, excellent service at work place or as a professional, it is how well you fulfill your job or responsibility, di ba? Parang, wow, grabe, ang galing niya, ganyan. So, excellent service yun, di ba? And then how you interact with others. So, it's not about how you work or your result or yung outcome ng work mo, but syempre, yung relationship mo din sa iba. Di ba? And then, how you contribute to the organization's goals. No? So, kung ano natin yan, kung na-embrace natin yan, talaga ang measurement ng pagiging excellent service is ayon sa performance mo, ayon sa reviews ng mga coworkers mo or yung boss mo, feedback nila, and then customer satisfaction, di ba? Parang yun yung naisip natin as having an excellent service. Parang